What is this huge box?
It's Lego Set 740, 12-volt transformer, released in year 1969.
There's some wire in there. The other end of the wire is on the train track. The train track doesn't look quite as ordinary as it used to. There is something in the middle of the track that wasn't there before. The center is not just plastic, it also has metal in it. But why?
It's Lego Set 750, 8 straight 12-volt conducting rails, released in year 1969. I can show. Oops.
Oh my God. It hit like a train. Do you think I'm some kind of test dummy?
Don't be ridiculous. You have the opportunity to introduce in 1969 a completely new 12-volt system.
Coming soon. Classics, 12-volt trains released in 1969. Don't forget either. Our channel, Never Stop Legoing. The boys try to cure LegoU's mysterious illness with Dr. Live. So stay tuned to our channel, and like it, please. See you soon.